Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be unboxing and reviewing along with some solar testing this awesome 12 volt 50 watt compact solar panel from Renogy right after this. If you are new to my channel and would like to stay up to date with the latest tips and tricks for Amazon Fire devices and product reviews, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click on the bell icon for future notifications. Thank you so much. Alright guys, so I have recently ordered this 12 volt 50 watt solar panel from Renogy, and this is the box that it came in. You can see that it says high quality premium solar module. The item number, or the part number I should say, is it's RKIT50DST. So let's go ahead and get the box out of the way so I can actually show you what this awesome solar panel looks like. So here is the awesome and great 12 volt monocrystalline 50 watt solar panel. This is the rigid design, not the flexible design, which I am pretty impressed with. I have to be honest, after testing it outside and inside and on the same day, which I'm going to show you here some solar test results using my EcoFlow River Pro power station. And this thing is really kicking some behind, you know. Let's go ahead and start with the weight of this product. I just put this on my digital scale, and it's coming at a little bit very close to 7.5 pounds in weight, and the dimensions are it is actually 20 inches wide by 23 inches long. It's very compact and it's very easy to travel with, I guess you can say, or to transfer or to relocate, if you will. And here's the back part, and here you can see the junction box right here, nice and sturdy. Actually, let me zoom out here. And yes, this solar panel does come with MC4 connectors. You can see the positive, which is always the red, and the negative female, which is right here on the right hand side. And here's some specs right here. You can see that this is from Renogy. Actually, let me focus that in for you. And you can see that it says the maximum power at STC is 50 watts. Open circuit voltage is 22.3 volts. The short circuit current is 2.94 amps and whatnot. And then, of course, the optimum operating current is 2.69 amps. And here's some more specs here on the bottom. The weight is 3.5 kilograms or 7.72 pounds. Pretty close to what my scale, what was coming up on my digital scale. And what's really nice about the solar panel is that this is really, I'm going to show here in a minute the other accessories that this unit comes with, and it really comes with everything that you pretty much need, to be honest. But what I want to show you is that this solar panel is about, I would say it's about an inch thick, or so, and this is a nice and solid design. I mean, this is made out of, I believe this is made out of aluminum. The back body, and it's either aluminum or metal. I think it's it might be metal, to be honest. I don't know, it's one or but this is a rigid panel, definitely not a flexible panel. And of course this will last you a lot longer. You can see that this has pre-drilled holes on the back for the Z brackets and accessories that it comes with. I'm going to show you here on the actually you can see them here, you can see them on the bottom and on the right hand side. So these are pre-drilled holes for installation purposes. And let me go ahead and show you the accessories that this bad boy comes with, and it actually comes with quite a bit. All right guys, so here's what you get inside the box. This is actually a 12 volt 50 watt solar panel kit. It's an entire, I think it's an entire complete kit. You really don't need anything more else than this is your warranty card. You just scan your QR code right here with any smartphone, and you head on to the website to register for your warranty. And this also comes with the popular Renogy Wander. This is a basic 10 amp PWM solar charge controller. This comes pretty handy. It's on the basic side, but hey, sometimes the basic ways is to go, because this supports lithium batteries as well as AGM batteries and flooded batteries, from my knowledge. And this also has a built-in screen showing you the voltage, the ampage, and the watts that are coming in from the solar panel, as well as your battery capacity. How nice is that? And then you also get the quick start guide and the manual. As you can see, this is the Wander LCD solar charge controller. It can handle up to 10 amps, and this does work with 12 volt and 24 volt systems. And you also get a I know this is like in German, I believe. And here it says this is like a satisfaction card. It's kind of like if you're not satisfied for any reason or if you have any issues, here's a bunch of email addresses you can email Renogy at. Basically from multiple countries. Seems like 7 or 8 different countries. And then most importantly, you also get the popular MC4 cables. And as you can see here, I already have, and by the way, these are like, I believe these are 10 foot each. You get the positive, which is red, and then you also get the negative as well, the negative side, 10-foot extension MC4 cable. And these are the solar standard last I checked. And basically you connect the MC4 cables positive and negative. You definitely have to keep in mind which one is which here. And I might have, as you can see, I already connected one to the solar charge controller just to test things out. And all you need really is a small, let me try to focus that in. All you need is really a small flathead screwdriver, which pretty much everyone has laying around, or you can get from any auto parts store. And you basically hook up the solar panel, and you hook up your battery right here in the middle, positive and negative. And here, I guess you can hook up some type of direct load, I guess like a light bulb. And what's really nice about this is that right here, you actually, on the right hand side, you have two 5-volt 2-amp USB ports, which is pretty nice. And I also want to mention, since we're here, you can also hook up like a, this kind of looks like a telephone line, but you can hook up an RS 232 jack right in here. And I believe you can make this LCD Wander solar charge controller. You can make it with Bluetooth, if I'm not mistaken. I think you can. Don't hold me to it. Maybe you can correct me in the comments if you own one of these. So, and then you also get, last but not least, you also get the battery connectors. And one side, of course, is the, I'm not sure if this is the 3/8 or 5/8 battery terminals. I think it's the 5/8. They don't look like a 3/8 to be honest. But you get this, I guess you can call this like an extension cable. It looks about 4 or 5 feet long. So one side is bare, as you can see, bare wire, and it's already stripped for you. So you get two of these guys. You get one, of course, for the negative side and one for the positive side. And they are not color coded. Not a big deal, but you just have to keep in mind what side is what, so you don't get things confused. And you get the washers and the nuts and a couple of screws here. And you also get these nice brackets. I think they call these Z brackets. So if you want to go ahead and mount your 50-watt solar panel onto a roof or onto a wall or any type of structure, you pretty much have everything that you need here. All you're missing out of this equation is really the battery and your DC to AC inverter. So depending on your project. So I'm going to go ahead and test the solar panel right now, this 50-watt Renogy solar panel outside, because it's nice and sunny outside and it's almost about 70 degrees as right now. I think it's around 9:30 a.m. So let's go ahead and do some solar testing outside, and then I'm going to go ahead and come back inside and install the solar panel. I'm going to go ahead and lean it on my window sill, and I'll show you what kind of solar what kind of wattage and what kind of input we're going to be able to get sitting behind a window, because as my video states, as my title states, this is an awesome and alternative solar panel if you live in an apartment or a condo and don't have much space, but you still want to get that the benefits of from a solar panel instead of without being outside. Or if maybe you want to install this outside, it's up to you. You can install it inside or outside or inside, or vice versa, however you want to do it. But you can definitely keep your power stations topped up and whatnot, or maybe fully charged as well, with this 50-watt solar panel, as well as being inside. So let's go ahead and do that now. Okay guys, so now that we are outside, you can see this 50-watt solar panel just facing the sun directly. And I'm going to show you what kind of clear skies we have today. If I can look at the sun directly, wow, it's very sunny today. So as you can see there, and let me try to zoom out actually, it's clear skies, just take my word on that. You can see the solar panel, this 50-watt solar panel is basically plugged in into my EcoFlow power station, which I have reviewed in the past. And I'll also include that link in the description. You can see that I have it connected to the adapter that comes with the EcoFlow power station. Basically one end is the negative and positive MC4 cables. These basically snap in, and yes, they are waterproof, just so you know. And as you can see here, let's see if I can show you that. Plugged in directly into the XT60 connector into my EcoFlow River Pro. And it's kind of hard to see here what kind of wattage we are getting on the power station. But this power station does come with a nice app, and I'm actually getting a consistent 41 watts right now. Let me go ahead and switch to the app and record my screen, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Okay guys, so here we are. Now that I'm actually inside, you can actually see my screen from my cell phone. You can see that I'm connected to my EcoFlow River Pro power station. My battery status is at 69%. I'm gonna go ahead and click on that power station, and right off the bat, obviously this is just for demo purposes. I have the solar panel facing the sun directly, just sitting on the cement, and the power station behind it. And you can see that I am getting a consistent 40 watts of power. If I'm not, correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, but I believe 40 watts out of 50 watts is pretty good. I believe that's about an 80% ratio, if I'm not mistaken. I might be wrong, but you can see that my power station is at 69%, and which is almost fully charged, and charging at 40 watts right now. You can see that on top under River Pro it says this power station will be fully charged in about 7 hours and 1 minute. So let's just say about 7 hours, give or take. And you can see that the input is 39 watts. It keeps fluctuating between 39 watts to 40 watts to 41 watts. And this is on a good sunny day. And I love when it's a sunny day because, hey, I'm getting free power on the house. So this 50 watt 12 volt monocrystalline compact design solar panel from Renogy comes very handy if you are in a dire situation. If you live in an apartment, or if you live in a condo situation where you don't have a lot of space. So this fits in many different scenarios, so you can use it inside and outside because it's not a flexible solar panel, it's actually a rigid solar panel. All right, so you can see that I just showed you indoors. I'm getting a consistent 18 watts out of 50 watts. And that's about like 30 to 35%, give it or take. I know I'm not the best in math, so please forgive me. But you can see that at this rate, charging at 18 watts input, and of course 0 output, my battery capacity is at 69%. And at this rate, my power station, my EcoFlow River Pro, will be fully charged in about 14 hours and 52 minutes. So basically approximately 15 hours. Of course, this is slowly charging the 720 watt hour power station. But hey, getting 18 watts is way better than 0 watts when you are in a dire situation, whether there's a hurricane or a flooding, God forbid, or an earthquake, or whatever the emergency is. Or maybe you're out camping or at the beach with the family and some friends or relatives. So my point is that you can easily mount this 50 watt solar panel pretty much anywhere, in your window, in your condo, in your apartment, indoors or outdoors, because this is a rigid solar panel. It's not a flexible, which I also have. So let me know what you guys think. All right guys, so this is it for today, folks. So if you have any questions or comments, or if you have a similar 50 watt 12 volt solar panel that you have tested yourself, or if you own a different brand other than Renogy, go ahead and leave me that question or that comment in the comment section below, and I'll get back to you soon. Other than that, if you have found any benefits in this video, if this video has helped you out in any way, I would really appreciate it if you hit that like button. That way more folks and more people can watch this video. And if you are new to my channel and would like to see some more product reviews and tutorials and whatnot, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Again, it doesn't cost you anything, but it really means a whole lot to me. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care.